Hey guys, this is Mike with Insain Solutions again. I'm creating another little video training tutorial about Estage. I had a request about down here at the very bottom at the footer how to change this text that's down here at the bottom. Somebody wanted to put the privacy terms and conditions in. Now I created an extra, two separate menus, one for the header and one for the footer, and I've got my privacy policy and terms and conditions in the footer menu, but not in the header menu. And but if you just want to put it down here at the very bottom, in this text and get rid of this earning disclaimer text down here, it's very easy to do. I'm going to walk you through that right now. What we want to do is we want to go to customize right up here on the top in the black bar. Go to your customize button right there. You're going to go right down here to the very bottom, or right in the middle right here. It says footer settings. You're going to click on that, and you're going to scroll down here to the bottom and down here to footer disclaimer. Now on this footer down here, you can type HTML in this block, and HTML means by putting links and stuff like that in here, making text linkable. However, you need to know a little bit about HTML coding. Actually, you don't. I'm gonna show you a little trick to do this without having to know HTML coding. Okay, but basically everything that's written right here is right here in this footer disclaimer. Don't worry about the footer copyright text. This little section right here is actually included in this footer disclaimer. See the earnings disclaimer, and then I've got my coding in right there, and I've got breaks, HTML break coding to break it up a little bit and give a little bit of space here and here. But you'll just change it right here. But let me show you a little quick way to make an HTML code so that you can, if you wanted to say be advised right here, if you wanted to make that a link, I can show you how to do that really easy. What you'll do is you'll just go to your post, or go up here to the top to the new, just go to post right here. It's going to create a brand new post. Now you're not actually going to publish this post. This is just so that you can get the HTML coding. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to type in right here in the visual section. Make sure you're on the visual tab. We're going to type in whatever information it is that you're wanting to put down at the bottom of the thing. Down at the footer of your page. So this is the footer text, and I'm going to create a link here. This is for the tutorial. So now I added this little extra section here. This is for the tutorial, because I want to create the link in the middle of the thing here, not at the ends. But it does not matter where you put it. It can be at the front, it could be at the back. This is just optional, however you want to set up your footer down there. Okay. Now you'll type in your information. Now wherever you want to create the link, you're going to highlight it, and you're going to go to the little insert link. Okay. Now I'm just going to put Google in here as the link. Okay, and then just press enter. Also, let me do this while I'm here. You go to this little settings tab. You got this little option right here to open the link in a new tab. That is actually pretty smart to do. That way you don't wind up losing or taking people off your page. You keep your page open. It just opens it in a brand new window. So just click update. Now, in order to get the HTML coding, what you'll want to do is, once you've got all your links in wherever you want it, just go to the text tab, and now there's your HTML coding right there already put in for you. So now all you're going to do is just copy this right here, go to your go visit your site. We're just going to say this is a draft, okay, not published, just as a draft. Go to your website, right here. Go to Customize. Come all the way down here, find your footer settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of it, and then you will post whatever it is that you're wanting to put in there. You'll just post it right there, and it'll come up down here. See, if I type in something right here, it's going to immediately change it. See there? I just put in hello, and there it is right there, hello. Okay? Then all you have to do is just click your button to publish, and that's all you got to do. Thank you guys. I hope this has been helpful, and if you need anything else, have any more suggestions, let me know. I'll be happy to make a recording on it. Thank you. Bye.